The all-new 2022 Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer marked the rebirth of a premium American icon. With legendary capability courtesy of 3 available 4x4 systems, exceptional driving dynamics, powerful performance, including best-in-class towing capability of up to 10,000 pounds, advanced technology, safety, and new level of comfort for up to 8 passengers, all wrapped in sophisticated and authentic new design, culminating in an undeniable presence. The 2022 Wagoneer carries the proven 5.7-liter V8 engine fitted with the next generation 40-volt e-torque hybrid as standard equipment. The 2022 Grand Wagoneer is powered by the potent and smooth 6.4-liter V8 engine. Both engines deliver performance, drivability, and when equipped properly, best-in-class towing capabilities of up to 10,000 pounds. Standard on the Wagoneer, the 5.7-liter V8 combines the muscle of 392 horsepower and 404 foot-pounds of torque in a smooth, broad power band, enhanced with fuel-saving technologies that include variable camshaft timing and cylinder deactivation. The Wagoneer is the first vehicle with the next-generation e-torque hybrid system, which features enhancements to several fuel-saving features. The e-torque hybrid system replaces the traditional engine-mounted alternator with a belt-driven motor generator unit. The motor generator unit works with a 48-volt battery pack to provide quick and seamless engine start-stop, torque addition to the engine crankshaft in certain driving situations, and brake energy regeneration, which improves responsiveness and efficiency. The system enables up to 130 foot-pounds of torque to be available on initial throttle tip-in.